Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Gocardless account. Keep watching the video till the end. To recover your Gocardless account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in gocardless.com and make a search. The official page of Gocardless account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page and tap on Login. Click on Forgotten Password option. Enter your email address and tap on Submit. A password reset link will be sent to your email address. Open your email and tap on Reset link sent by Gocardless. On the next page, create a new password for your Gocardless account, and that's how you will be able to recover your Gocardless account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.